This is the African College of Neuropsychopharmacology School, which this year is looking at the intersection between HIV, substance use disorders, and brain disorders. This year we have managed to get about 28 early career scientists in brain and mental health from 18 African countries who have come together to learn from some of the top experts, global experts in mental health and brain health, and who are also here to learn how to collaborate, to find new ideas to do research, and to find new ways of doing things in advancing brain and mental health on the African continent.
In Africa, we have a lot of neurological disorders that the data outside is not representative of what truly is the picture. I believe if we have a multidisciplinary approach to neuroscience, we might have a lot of things that we can do and then help to push data from Africa, which would help to contribute a lot of things in the global world.
Being a part of this school has really helped me enhance my knowledge in brain science and just to understand how the brain operates and just the effect that a lot of substances have on the brain. And this has been key to understand that I may be able to apply it as I see patients, and beyond that to also apply these principles that I've learned in also research that I've also learned is paramount and key to advancing mental health services here in Africa.
My key takeaway from this school is that apart from attending the patients, we need to integrate the real-time research into the practice in order to advance the care of our patients, especially in addiction and the newer drugs which are upcoming in treatment of the patients with the different mental conditions like schizophrenia and the mood disorders.
The experience has been enriching. I got to meet with experts from both Africa and international. And what I realized is that I got to appreciate more the amount of work that researchers in the continent are doing. They're building a strong foundation that the young researchers can continue to build on and contribute to addressing mental health challenges in Africa.
I have learned so much from the mentorship, from the capacity building, the collaboration that has been set by the school. When I get back home, I know where to start with regard to the questions to ask in terms of research, the collaborations that I can count on. I also know of the interventions that I'm ready to start putting into practice when I get back home.
This has taught me that even as a clinician, I can be a researcher because I will be bridging the gap between clinical practice and the lab, which is neuroscience. I've also gained skills in networking and also collaboration with other fields in neuroscience.
The neuroscience space is very large to contain everyone, but just a matter of me to position myself strategically for interdisciplinary research and collaboration.
So it's been a wonderful learning experience, and all the students have felt that it was a wonderful time to be exposed to amazing people that are doing great work on this particular issues.
Primary impact is not only transmitting this information, but it's the networking that takes place. And so people from across Africa get to meet each other. They also get to meet lecturers that come from both North America and Europe. And so through this networking, we set up long-term relationships, both scientific collaboration, but also just general communication about career development and how to approach different ideas as everybody's career develops.